Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to this video. I know I just uploaded today. Well, that was a shout out to my stepbrother, of course. But, well, today I'm actually going to be doing something different. Hold on. Sorry. Got bored a little bit. Well, I gotta go to church soon, so that's why I'm making this video. So, what you want to do is open this up. This is how to get RimWorld. Alright? How? I'll be back whenever I got to my channel. Alright guys, I got the link, don't worry. I'm sorry I accidentally moved my face cam. Alright, but I do have the link, alright? I'm gonna put this down below in the description so you guys can get it. Now, this isn't fake, I swear to you. After you get done, you're gonna download this. Click download anyway. After it gets done, I'm gonna cancel it since I already have it, guys. I promise to you, it works. And no, it is not online. I guess I can't download it right now. Then you're gonna have to go download RimWorld. It don't matter what computer you have, just type in RimWorld download. Then go to ROAR Labs. And if you have a like school laptop, I'll put a link in the description for that too. Don't worry. Alright, after you get done with that, I hit it in my Spotify. Then what you want to do is just start it up. And this one will give you mods, I promise. But you have to go download them from the source or from the thing, and I'll be right back to you when I've got it. Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, it's still open. I'm gonna close it. As you guys can see, I'm clicking it. Alright, mods. Click. I have the Star Wars mod, Jectals, Star Wars factions, the evil guy from RimWorld, Magic, the Force, and lightsaber. I didn't get the fortifications or the enclave yet because they aren't working. But as you guys can see, if you have mods, you're gonna have to have a game before you can do it. And I will load up in one. Load anyway. Alright. My back. I can tell my camera's delaying. Just see myself go it. Alright, as you guys can see, it's working. Alright, I have the things on so I can show you that it works. Explosion. As you guys can see. 4, 3, 4. Alright, just so you guys can tell it's me, I'm gonna go to furniture, double bed, put one here so they can sleep, put one there, oh yeah, I forgot, put one, deconstruct that, deconstruct, just so you guys know it's me. Double bed, there, wait, there. Oh, they look so different. Oh, I didn't know that. Alright, I'm gonna put one right there, one there, alright. And now, what I'm going to do, yeah, there's a hospital bed now, double bed. This is for like animals and stuff. Or sleeping bags, I'm not sure though. Alright, assign. Let's see who do I have? Wait, nobody? I have nobody? Oh, that's weird. How else would I be able to, Well, that's weird, but alright. Confirm. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hey, by the way, I'm going to show you one of my new outros I made. It's happy. This is for Halloween, guys. I'm only going to play a little bit. Alright? There. That's all you can hear. Alright? Sorry. But you'll hear the rest of it on Halloween. Don't worry. Whenever I get home, I'll upload. I swear to you guys. I promise. Alright? Well, thank you for watching. And by the way, links will be in the description if you want to go download it. PC only. Sorry, Xbox and other people use this. Well, bye.